everyone, this is Stephanie coming to you from Treasure Find Jewelers in Palatka next to Publix. I have come today to talk to you about sterling silver jewelry and the do's and don'ts in caring for sterling silver jewelry. All sterling silver jewelry does tarnish. Especially here in our little town, we have a lot of sulfur water and well water. So some do's and don'ts to try to keep your sterling silver maintained and looking the best. We suggest when you're not wearing it, keep it in airtight. Something like a Ziploc bag is always really good to keep the sulfur air out of the jewelry. It will prolong the life of it. You can also use a silver cleaner, but before you use the silver cleaner, you must always clean it with like light soap and water first. And when you're using a silver cleaner, read the directions because you only let it in for like 15 seconds or so. And if you bought your silver jewelry from us, you can always bring it up here and we'd be happy to clean it for you. A common false tip is to use toothpaste on your silver jewelry. Do not use toothpaste. It actually takes a coating off of your silver that keeps it bright and shiny. So that's a big no-no. A lot of people think that you are supposed to, but that's a myth. So do not do that. So I hope you enjoyed my little video on taking care of your silver jewelry. Come in and see us. Again, I'm Stephanie at Treasure Find Jewelers next to Publix in Palatka. Thanks.